This engine was built in 1944 by the Lima Locomotive Works as a Berkshire-class steam engine. She would end up being retired in 1958 and placed on display in Fort Wayne's Lawton Park. She would rest here until 1974, when a bunch of local rail fans formed the Fort Wayne Railroad Historical Society and began her restoration process. And by 1979, for the first time in over 2 decades, she was pulling passengers again. And since then, she has traveled all over the country, from New Jersey to Alabama, Chicago to St. Louis. But today's excursion starts right here in Pleasant Lake, Indiana.